Alright, now we put this on. Now the next thing to do is put this back in the car. We gotta remember this piece here, okay? This piece goes right here. I keep saying that. It goes up in the case and it hits on here. You're gonna have to put this in the case and with some grease. And hurry up and put this on top so it won't fall out. Alright, back to the truck. Okay. This part right here, see my hand? There is this valve right here. It has this part sticking out. It's going to have to go on the top side of the manual valve. The part where that little slider went, which was on the bottom side. Got to make sure that it lines up with the slot and put a bolt in your hand so that you can stick it in to hold the valve body in its place. We're about to go and put this valve body in now. Don't forget this piece right here. Get you a glob of grease. Put it on there. The grease on there. Stick it up in there. Just like that. Put the grease in there, then you put the valve body up. Let's see. It fell out. Darn. This stupid thing fell out. I'm gonna have to see how to keep this up in there. Oh yeah. It's like the grease didn't work, huh? I gotta really stuff it. That's what happened. You gotta do this garbage upside down. Woo! Let me see. Now I gotta hurry up and get this in before it falls out again. Oy, 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 oy. Hard to see this stupid. And oh. Darn, I can't. Darn. Oh, got it. I think I got it. Let's see. Sorry. I don't even know if I'm going in the hole. Wait. Gotta do this before this stupid thing falls out. Oh. Whew. Darn, I can't get that there. Did I get that? That ain't going right. Oh, did I can't see if I got that in. Oh. Whew. Let me see here. Oh man, there it goes. All right, it's best to put these things in first. This thing had a good seal. Boy, if y'all saw that, those rubber pieces, take them off. Put them in. Oh, let's put this back. That's probably better. Yeah, much better, much better. That's for those rubber pieces. Okay. Line main valve. Got it. Got it. Oof. I need to put a bolt in here to hold this. Oh. I don't think that's... Alright, that holds it. Woo! Woo! Boy, make sure that I don't zoom this out. Alright, got that right. Yep. I hear you cursing over there, Billy. You can't do that on YouTube. They'll ban me. We can't. You can't let them know what we do in real life. How we really sound like with these cars. It's not professional to sit up here and use profanity at people's cars. right.
I'll tell you one thing, these things do help a lot.
The jack stands?
Oh yeah. You know, like one side of my frame was up higher than the other.
Uh-huh.
I put it right under here and level my frame up. And now stuff will go in.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got all 8 of those. Now go to the back. 9, 10, 11. Whew. All right. All right, the part I want you to see is right here. This valve here, that slider, has the slider is on top of that, a manual valve, and the manual valve linkage goes at the bottom right here. It has to fit in that slot. She's putting it up. And after you put the 8 bolts up in the front, you go and you finish tightening the 3 bolts in the back. Next, you have to put this back in. And this part here has to come in here, and you have to line it up. It has a part here that you line it up. Once you push it in there, you push it in, and when you push it in, you take this clip here and push it up, and it locks in. So let's see.